Once upon a time, in a small village, there was a little girl named Emma. Emma loved animals, especially cats. One sunny afternoon, she found a tiny kitten crying near her house. The kitten was lost and scared. Emma gently picked up the kitten and brought it home. She gave it some milk and a warm blanket. The kitten felt safe and happy. Emma decided to name the kitten Snowy because it had white fur. Emma asked her neighbors if they knew where the kitten belonged, but no one recognized it. So Emma's family decided to keep Snowy.
Emma and Snowy became the best of friends. Every day they played together in the garden and had many adventures.
One day, a boy from the next village came looking for his lost kitten. Emma realized Snowy was his. She felt sad, but knew it was the right thing to do. Emma returned Snowy to the boy. The boy was very happy and thanked Emma. Even though Emma missed Snowy, she felt good about helping someone. She knew that Snowy was happy and safe with its real family. And from that day on, Emma always remembered the joy of helping others. Village, a small community or group of houses in a rural area, especially used to single out one person or thing over all others. Tiny, very small. Crying, making loud sounds of sadness or pain. Lost, unable to find one's way. Gently, with a soft, light touch. Warm, having or giving out moderate heat. Recognized, identify from having encountered before. Decided, made a choice or judgment. Adventures,
Exciting or unusual experiences.
missed, felt sadness because of the absence of something or someone. Realized, became fully aware of something. Returned, came or brought back to a place or person. Belonged, was owned by, was a part of. Helping, providing assistance or support. One, what did Emma find near her house? A. Puppy. B. Kitten. C. Bird. D. Rabbit. Two. What name did Emma give the kitten? A. Fluffy. B. Snowy. C. Whiskers. D. Shadow. Three. Why did Emma return the kitten? did Emma feel after returning the kitten? The brave little turtle. Once upon a time, in a beautiful pond, there lived a little turtle named Timmy. Timmy was curious and loved exploring. One day, he saw a butterfly and decided to follow it. Timmy followed the butterfly through the tall grass and into the forest. Suddenly, he realized he was far from home and felt a bit scared. But Timmy was brave. He remembered his way back and started his journey home. On his way, Timmy met a friendly frog named Freddy. Freddy showed Timmy a shortcut to the pond. Timmy was happy and thanked Freddy for the help. When Timmy returned to the pond, he told his friends about his adventure. They were amazed by his bravery. From that day on, Timmy became known as the bravest turtle in the pond. Beautiful, pleasing to look at, very attractive. Curious, eager to know, to learn something. Exploring, traveling through an area to learn about it. Butterfly, an insect with large, often brightly colored wings. Suddenly, quickly, and unexpectedly. Realized, became aware of something. Scared, afraid, frightened. Brave, ready to face and endure danger or pain, showing courage. Shortcuts, a quicker and more direct route. Friendly, kind and pleasant. Journey, the act of traveling from one place to another. Adventure, an unusual and exciting experience. Amazed, greatly surprised. Bravery, courageous behavior or character. One. What did Timmy decide to follow? A. Bird. B. Butterfly. C. Fish. D. Rabbit. Two. How did Timmy feel when he realized he was far from home? A. Happy. B. Excited. C. Scared. D. Angry. Three. Who helped Timmy find the shortcut back to the pond? 4. What did Timmy's friends think of his adventure? A. They were scared. B. They were angry. C. They were amazed. D. They were indifferent.